Raw materials here, semi-finished goods there, workshop on one side, finished goods far off. Our layout's scattered. Forklifts and workers haul goods all over the factory. Output keeps rising. Warehouses are bursting at the seams. We need more storage space. We want fully automated logistics, but we have lots of staff. People and machinery must be separated, plus dedicated lanes for frequent truck traffic.
What the client requires is far more than simply installing automated equipment. It calls for customized restructuring of the entire plant's logistics system. When indoor space hits its limit, we expand storage outdoors. When ground floor layout is constrained, we elevate storage upward to unlock higher operational efficiency.